Okay, this video we're going to talk about the Twitter widget. Now, since the creation of this particular theme, Twitter has changed their setup, their API, so it's actually forced us to use a plugin that we'd actually rather not use, but because what Twitter has done, what they have changed, it's the only one that we could find that worked as well as it does. It actually requires a little more manual work than we've done in the past, where you could typically just drop in a link. So to kind of show you that what I'm referring to is if we find the plugin called Twidget, you'll see it right here, it's called Twidget. You can also see it if you've installed it right here. Okay, so we want to go here so we can enter the correct information. Now, what I was saying earlier is basically they set their API and they've made some instance changes. So you're going to have to go and populate your consumer key, your consumer secret, your access token, and your access token secret. Unfortunately, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that. That's something you're going to have to figure out how to do that on your own. There are tutorials you can find. There's information. You'll see right here. There's a tutorial on YouTube. So basically, you need to find this information, plug it in, and then hit updates. These other things in here, I wouldn't mess with that unless you're a developer. I would stay away from that. But what's important is if you're not a developer, are these information so it can pull your particular, your feed. And then what you can do is your feed refresh, your number of tweets. Those are the two things aside from these keys that I would worry about. Again, these other things I wouldn't really mess with unless you know basic HTML and or are a developer, and you can kind of come in here and do some custom work. Outside of that, to use it, you want to go to widgets. Sorry about this, excuse me. You want to go to widgets, and what you want to do is use the Twidget, and you can see it over here. Just drag and drop it, open it, and then give it your title. That's all you have to do is give it the title, and you'll see my tweets are the title that we use here, and save it. So as long as your settings are correct here, and you add the widget, it will go ahead and pull your latest feeds. Okay, that's it.